I'm Barry, and I've been at Heathrow now for 50 years. I started Heathrow on October the 7th, 1974, Fabricator Welder. I was working on building boats on the river, and me and another guy, there was an advert in the paper, we wanted to get out, and there was an advert for a fitter's mate. We came for an interview at the Albert House. They said, oh great, can't make you fitters mates, make you engineers, fabricators. Machines we had then was very basic. Building things, fabricating things, it's like a game of chess. You've got to think ahead. People come in with a little drawing, sort of a sketch, and say, can you make that? And you've got to sort of redesign it to thinking what they're thinking. Yeah, that's my bench there. Just give them the bench. I mean, it's moved a couple of times. It's moved from about 3 foot that way, 4 foot that way. It's been up in that corner because we had benches long ways. Favourite tool? My hammer. When I finished my apprenticeship, they gave us this hammer.
What do you enjoy the most?
Being here. So it's hobby. It's not just a job. It's something you've got to get into and enjoy.